In this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and change your region on Steam. Really easy and simple. First, you need to choose an item to purchase. You cannot do this without purchasing an item. So let's say I want to go ahead and buy this, lossless scaling. All right, I'll add this to my card, and then we can go ahead and click on view my card. I've chosen it to go for my account. I can click on continue to payment. But before I do this, what I need you to do is I need you to install a VPN. I'll show you a free one. It's actually a really good one. It's called Hotspot VPN. Okay? Click on this link, Hotspot Shield. Now, we need to install this. It's used by over 1 million users. Great ratings, right? As you can see, a lot of ratings. Click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension, and it will start downloading this extension to your Chrome automatically. Okay? All right, the extension has been added. I'll go ahead and pin this to my Chrome. Click on that extension, and all I need you to do now, okay, let's close that. Click on it again. Okay, go ahead and click on next on these, and then click on done. Now, I want you to do this. Click to connect. And once it's connected, what I want you to do is you can go ahead and change your server, because here it's usually set to auto server. You're going to choose the respective country. Some options are paid, but if you want to do United States, it is free. You can go ahead and switch to that. And as you can see, I'm currently connected to the United States. Now, this is what I want you to do. Come here, click on continue to payment, and it will bring you to this checkout page. If you see this, no problem. Just go ahead and refresh the page and it will be working. There you go. As you can see. Now, what you basically need to do is you need to come here and enter a payment method whose billing information matches the country and the VPN you have chosen, or whatever country you want to change it to. Okay, and let me show you the proof actually. This is the official Steam support. As you can see, all you need to do is select the country that you are located in the card page, right? You need to go ahead and add that as a payment method and you complete the purchase. And what's going to happen is for the next 3 months, that will be your associated country for your account. It's really that easy and simple.